Here you guys come. Starting to pull in now. Love it. Oh man, look at that. The Honda truck is pulling in. The semi. Oh man! Hey everybody, welcome to Bucket's Garage. You know where we're at? We're in Mid-Ohio. Yes! Mid-Ohio. Oh yeah. Motorcycle Vintage Days 2026. This is Thursday. Oh, of course, you guys probably saw it a little short. Me and Cam Girl and all our other friends working around here putting the signs up. But today is sell day. And this stuff is already going crazy. I mean, we couldn't even film it first because it's just all you fans, thank you for coming and visiting. I love every one of you. This is great. Now, we'll stand here and try to get run over. But you can see the crowd way down there. And then the crowd way up here. Almost ran him over. Now, if you guys never been to Mid-Ohio before, you gotta come to Mid-Ohio. There's so many fans that have been coming up here thanking me for making this video, saying you got to show up here. You do, because this is like heaven on earth. This is the largest motorcycle swap meet ever that I've ever been to, and I've been coming here for over 30 years. So I'm lost for words. I mean, look up that hill. It is kind of slow right now. But today, we'll probably end up going through some of the, I'm going to show some more smaller stuff this time so you can see some of the piles of stuff. This one guy saved all this one big trailer load of stuff out of a barn that he saved it from being crushed and thrown into the garbage. Now, everybody from everywhere buying parts off him and stuff saved all them parts. There's a lot of British, a lot of antique Honda stuff from the 60s. It was wonderful. But we just got bikes everywhere. You hear the music? Hear those bikes on the track? We'll get Camera Girl out here filming some of that. We got people everywhere doing some buckets work. So all you guys get a good sight and scene. All right, well, I'm enough yammering on here. We're gonna, like I said, go for a ride. We're gonna do some filming. Oh, look at this guy. He's got the Honda shirt on a three-wheeler. Hey! All right, so let's look around. Let's get in this video, guys. Check out Mid-Ohio 2026. I'm excited. Yeah! Woohoo! Woo! Whoa! Yeah, look at all that. Holy buckets. Look at all that down there. As far as the eye can see, parts of people. Okay, guys, this is something you don't see every day. Look at this trailer full of goodies. Like priceless goodies that you never find. This is like a dream for most guys. And look at that trailer. Wow. I mean, there's things in here I could have used when I was really into it. Look at the headlight ears. Holy buckets. Someone's treasures are now here in Mid-Ohio. Oh yeah, look at there's a Honda Dream. A couple of them. Look at that frame. That frame is nice, clean, and it's not been repainted. That'd be a good project right there. Really good project. There's a Honda XR75. That's a nice one. They had wheels on it. A lot of good projects here. Lots of good projects. Oh, that's a BSA. That's a good bike.
We'll see you around.
Well, good old Bucksy here is going to be digging because I'm going to get 3 for 10. I recognize this. That's for a Honda. For a Honda Spree, I think, or, you know, I can't think of it right now, but I know what it is in my head. So, let's see what I can dig out through here. Sure, I can find something. No doubt. All right, look at this. I'm dumping this poor guy's stuff over, but look at all this Trail 70 stuff. Okay, in the comments, tell me if you guys know what this seat's all from. I do. Do you guys know? Anybody out there with bikes? There's a good one for you. Now, show you the rest of these parts here. He's well organized, more than me. Well, we're gonna venture on while the sun's going down here in Mid-Ohio.
You don't sell cars. You don't sell carburetors.
And there's even seats, Z50 seats, frames. Actually, not too bad a price. Then you got a Honda over there. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff. Ooh. That's not bad for that exhaust. You guys know, that one's a little cheesy. Get it? Cheesy.
What are you doing?
Volunteer to put this stuff up. We're putting Mid-Ohio together today. Getting your Mid-Ohio Vintage Motorcycle Days things going.
I love how now you're embracing work.
Yeah.
You're such an ass.
The Tito over there. I cut my hair again. I told him I'd do it. I said it's gonna get cold.
It's all good.
Hey, camera girl, she looks a little pink in here. They've been in the sun. I don't know why, but
Because it's been a hot day.
we've been over here. We're getting ready for lunch or our vendor's dinner. We're in the Taj Mahal. Look at that. You see the whole track.
You can go out that door.
Well, it's quiet. You hear me? Oh, let's go outside. Come on, Keith. Come on. Check it out. You're gonna like this. Everybody don't get to see this. Right, Dito? Yep. This is where all the vintage racing starts. Oof. Got me dizzy. Holy buckets, man.
It is a long way up.
Ooh. Scary.
Hold on to your hats.
What's that?
Hold on to your hat.
Oh.
There's the infield.
This place will be packed. This place will be packed over there. Bikes will be racing up and down here. I mean, this is our thing that we love doing every year. How many years have we been coming here? Over 30 years. I can't even keep count anymore. You're just never long enough. Now check this out here. Demo rides are over there. That's where the demo rides are going to be. There's all the swap meet. And see that little red dot over there? That little red dot past that white trailer? That's Bucket's garage. Well, Bucket's trailer. This is all going to be packed tomorrow.
Yes, it is.
The excitement is just beginning. My heart is pounding just being here. Being up here is an honor. I must say, volunteering, definitely an honor. This place is going crazy, guys. Look at that. I'm only at the end. So I need to find more stuff. Now look at this, guys. Check this out. Look at that sign. That reminds me when I used to go boot scooting. When I got out of my my grunge age, went cowboy for a while, and then I went back to grunge. That's a Yamaha. You want to eat? Cool signs. Got all kinds of cool stuff here. Look at that. This is awesome stuff. I like it. Check it out. You want to see it on YouTube?
Hell yeah.
See? Woo! Another one of the guys checking it out.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Well, I met all my fans.
Hey!
Where are you from?
Buckets. This is Nathan from Virginia. This is my son, Logan.
How you doing, Logan?
Enjoying Mid-Ohio. Dad's around here somewhere on my ATC 70. So, yeah. If we come across him, I'll send him to come see you too.
Yep. All right.
Right on.
Sweet holy buckets.
It'll fit right that way.
For the cars. Yes. Yeah, the 91 through 94.
Remember, guys, if you need that Trail 70 stuff, see your trail buddies. You got all your new fenders, handlebars, anything for Trail 70s. Look, they even got kickbacks, the cool ones, new seats. Yeah, cool stuff, man.
We don't have that threaded one.
Even the looks like the OEM style tires. Newer. All right, let's see what I can get in trouble with here. Look at that.
Around the world that are serving this country, and also the ones that have
There's a
gained
bunch of
their own.
signs. Oh, look at,
Lord Father, we
recognize
just
that
bless
seat.
this day in racing
Those are
in
Honda
Jesus'
90
Jesus'
seats.
name. Amen.
Oh, there's some Honda 350. A lot of cool stuff here. Some of the bigger tanks. I got plenty of those just laying around. So, yeah, look at that. A lot of nice stuff. Oh, look at this. $20 each. You need an OEM carburetor. That almost looks like LCL70, but not. Three-wheeler. Pull starts. More carburetors. More goodies. Goodies. Look at that. That's a 70 or 81 Honda Trail 70. Yep. You got to keep up on this stuff. Wow, a lot of stuff. Look at all the juicy parts. And more juicy parts. Side covers. Yeah, if you need it, it's here. Come to Mid-Ohio and you'll find it. If you can't find it, there's probably not, it doesn't exist. I found some CT70 seats to throw some junkers from this spot. Believe it or not, CT70 stuff in there. All right, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go check out and see what we can find down here. See if there's any good stuff. A lot of nice stuff here this year. Thursday night at Mid-Ohio.
You fell down through here?
No. I have not.
Gonna walk around and check out the silent auction.
Everyone waving. Look at all them cool bikes in there now. You guys gotta come and visit and check out all these museum style bikes.
I think a lot of women that I've talked to, 300 miles is a long day for a lot of women.
Well, I don't have to mention what that is. Everybody knows what this is. You're the bikes, you know what that is. You know what they do there. You met another fan. Who are you?
Andy from Pennsylvania.
Andy from Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Awesome.
Stopped us right on the track.
Love of Mid-Ohio. It's really awesome. Really good.
Holy buckets, man.
Holy buckets.
Oh, hey guys. It is another day of Mid-Ohio. It was a lot of fun. A lot of stuff going on. Holy buckets. We had a lot of fun today. Second day of Mid-Ohio. Yes, day 2. But this will be the end of this video, guys. Stay tuned for next week for the big finale of Mid-Ohio. Holy buckets. You're going to probably like it. There's a lot of stuff going on. Matter of fact, we had a few officers visit me too. You get the kick out of that one too. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, if you want to see next week's video for the finale of Mid-Ohio, please like, please subscribe, and comment what you think. You know, maybe I should do more. What do you like to see at Mid-Ohio when I go back next year? But anyway, guys, yeah, everyone's starting to sleep, and I'm out here yakking away. All right, well, thanks again for coming to Buckets Garage. We'll see you next week in Mid-Ohio 2026. I can't sleep. I'm just too excited. I'm not going to sleep tonight. No way.